Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this awesome popcorn maker that I have. Popcorn's my specialty. I love making it from home and making it from scratch. And this has helped me so much to be able to become good at it and for other people to love my popcorn as well. So this is a really cool tool. It's a popcorn machine. It has a turny knob here that spins the inside to make sure that your kernels don't get stuck at the bottom. It's really well made, as you can see. This top does come off, but it is secure where I can hold it like this and it's not going to just pop off. It has wood features, which is really nice, and then a stainless steel finish. So I love this piece of equipment. I think it's great. I think it really makes your popcorn taste nice, and it's helped me become known for my popcorn. So I definitely recommend it, and that is my point of view.